Welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So for today's video, I am going to teach you how to add or how to create a drop-down menu in WordPress. So I'm going to show you the manual step-by-step process and how you can do that. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So let's go first to my current website. So as you can see, I already have some sub menu or drop down menu rather. So I'm going to show you how I did that. So once you are in WordPress, just go to your dashboard, and from your dashboard in the section right here on the left pane of your screen, just locate appearance, and from these options hit menus. So once you are in the menu section, just go to the section right here. So this is the current menu that I have on my website. So as you can see, I have about, services, and contact, and under contact I have this posts right here and a custom link. So as you can see, about, services, and under contact, hello world, and then the custom link. So I'm going to show you how I did that, but I'm going to create another menu right here. So we are going to do the process from scratch. So I'm going to create this sample menu 2 and create menu. And then so before we continue with the process, I'm just going to clarify something here. So if you want to create or to add these items right here, you actually need to create them first. So these are the items that you can add to your menus: the pages, posts, custom links, and categories. So if you want to add pages, you need to create them first on the section right here, and for the post, create them right here, and for the custom links, you can just copy and paste or type a link right here and then the link text. So, and as for the categories, you can also do that on the sections right here. So once you have created your pages and posts that you can or yet you want to add to your menus, so again, go to appearance and then menus. So going to check all of this one right here and add them to my menu. So these items will serve as my main menus. And then I'm going to add this post right here as my sub menu, or the menu that I'm going to put into the drop down menu. So add that. So just add them first. I'm going to create a custom link also. So I'm just going to add instagram.com. So it is just a random link that I will use as an example. Link text, Instagram also. Add that to my menu, and then you can change the order of your menus by simply dragging them. So I'm going to put services after the about, and under contact I'm going to put hello world and Instagram as a sub menu. So to do that, I just need to drag them slightly to the right, and as you can see, it is slightly indented. So you can also do that to another one. There you go. And then once you are satisfied with all of your items or all of the items in your menu, just check the location. I'm going to select it as my primary menu and save menu. So you can also use that for your second menu, off canvas menu, login account menu, and footer menu. But I'm just going to use it as my primary menu and save it. So for a few seconds, the website or the changes should be applied to the website, and let us see. So there you go. That is how you can create drop down menus in WordPress. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.